Fond of, unlocking its meaning and usage. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used English phrase, fond of. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but also be able to use it confidently in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Fond of is a phrase used to express a liking or a preference for something or someone. When you are fond of something, it means you have a strong liking or affection for it. Think of it as a synonym for like, but often implying a deeper, more emotional connection. Example 1, she is fond of chocolate. This means she really likes chocolate. Example 2, he's particularly fond of old jazz music. This implies he has a strong liking for old jazz tunes. Now that we know its meaning, let's discuss how to use it in sentences. 1. Describing personal preferences. This is the most common usage. It's mainly used to talk about things you like. 2. I'm fond of watching movies on rainy days. 3. Talking about people. It's not just limited to things. You can be fond of people too. 4. John is really fond of his grandmother. 5. In questions, you can use fond of to ask someone about their likes or preferences. 6. Are you fond of spicy food? 7. In negative statements, just like positives, it can be used to express dislike. 8. I'm not very fond of waking up early. While fond of is easy to use, there are a couple of common mistakes learners make. 1. Not using of. Always remember it's fond of, not just fond. 2. Incorrect. I am fond chocolate. 3. Correct. I am fond of chocolate. 4. Using it for mild preferences. Remember, fond of often implies a strong liking. For a mild or general liking, simply using like might be more appropriate. 5. I like ice cream versus I'm fond of ice cream. The latter suggests a deeper affection. And there you have it. The phrase fond of is a wonderful way to express a deep liking or affection for something or someone. Practice using it in your daily conversations, and soon it'll become second nature. We hope this video has been enlightening, and as always, happy learning!